Do you believe in clones? The ones that can print money for you while you sleep, the ones that can speak for you while you're silent, and the ones that can open for you $1 million doors you didn't even know existed, all because of one simple thing: your personal brand. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your personal brand, grow your personal brand, and monetize your personal brand step by step. Because in today's world, I see so many people trying to create their personal brands online, and boy, are they going about it in all the wrong ways possible. I do not want that for you. So here are the core pillars to a strong personal brand. First is clarity. Firstly, you have to know who you are and what you stand for. Not that today you're talking about a new big thing in dropshipping, next day you're talking about crypto, and every other day you're talking about how great affiliate marketing is. You cannot build credibility with your audience if they do not know what they gain from being with you. So you need to understand who you are and what you stand for. And when you understand this, you need to find your strengths and what I call a unique value space. This can be anything, by the way. These two, it will help you and your audience have a mutual understanding with each other, which will come at a very big advantage, which I will explain in a very short while. Core pillar is consistency on your platforms, your visuals, your message, your tone. You need to be one with them. Not that you will be portraying a message, but your tone is implying something else different. Your visuals on a whole different planet. Your audience will simply tag you as incompetent and insecure, thereby you losing audience, you destroying credibility. Ultimately, you're going backward rather than forward. And to you who's on your personal branding journey, just be yourself and you will see it is way easier to maintain momentum and your true followers will come. The last core pillar to a strong personal brand is visibility. There's a saying, closed mouths don't get fed. As you build your personal brand, you need to show up regularly, have regular posting patterns. That way your audience will know when to expect your uploads and always be active to your uploaded content. Aside your socials, don't be afraid to speak in public. Your biggest opportunity might just be one conversation away. Now that you know the core fundamentals of a personal brand, we can move on to creating your personal brand from scratch. The first is self-awareness. Before I move to the posting of content or the choosing your color palette, you need to know you, your personalities, your values, and your strengths. Take me for example, my personalities. I'm an extroverted person who likes to keep things light and fun when called for, and I'm bold. That's an example of someone who understands their personality for who they are. My values, things you will never compromise on: growth. My strengths and skills, public speaking and computer skills. Why am I telling you all this? This is just a clear illustration of someone who knows their personality, they know their values, and they know their strengths. And with these three fundamentals, you can learn how to portray it through your content, which makes you look more authentic and not fake. And if you are in a situation where you find it hard to understand these three fundamentals of yourself, don't worry, I got you covered. I have these exercises which I have curated especially for that. The next step in building your personal brand is your brand message. This is simply what you do, why you do it, and who you help in what you do. Once you're able to portray these three fundamentals through your personal brand, your audience will be so funneled that anything you sell through your audience that aligns with your personal brand, you will have exponential leverage over your competition. There's the big belief I have: you don't need to dabble yourself in so many income streams to become successful. You just need to pick one and stay consistent, especially when you're new in the space, which I am, by the way. That opening the door to my next point: pick a specific platform and stick to that platform. It can be any platform. It can be TikTok, it can be Snapchat, it can be Instagram, it can be X, it can be Telegram, it can be YouTube. As long as you stick to one platform and stay consistent, success will be inevitable. And then when you experience success in one platform, then and only then can you think of expanding to other platforms. Let's do a quick illustration. You have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, 25 followers on Insta, and 5 followers on TikTok. Funny, right? Now you can channel and convert those 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to followers on Instagram and TikTok. And this can happen vice versa, by the way, thereby creating a cycling effect which allows for growth. and monetization in so many different ways, which I will get to in a very, very short while. Now that you've picked your platform that you will be posting on, you need a content strategy for your personal brand. First and foremost, the type of content you'll be posting: educational, inspirational, day in a life, story based. Then after you've picked the type of content you're posting, you need to have regular edits, scripts, and post schedules so that you will always be on date, meaning that your audience will always know when to expect your content and always be ready to consume, share, clip all your content. Now, as you build your empire, there are some mistakes you should avoid which can destroy your whole personal brand. The first and most common is being fake and copying others. Yes, maybe you started and you were being yourself, or because you were trying to aim for clout and not true audience and growth, you started copying others, you started becoming fake. I don't even need to say how it ends because we personally in our lives have seen this play out so many times and we know how it ends up. Next one is being inconsistent in your message and values. That is just sad. You create your social media platforms to be hard, to pass a message, to pass your values, and yet you're another person's copy. You copy their messages, you copy their values. It doesn't even align with your own beliefs. That isn't even the biggest killer of a personal brand. Those who actually fake it, they get somewhere. They get somewhere before they fall down. But ignoring your own audience's feedback, man, they don't even ever go anywhere. Have you noticed, like, if you're in the personal branding space, if you're in the content creation space, you will notice that before you get a subscriber or a follower, that person must have watched 3, 4, 5 videos of yours. So if they have watched 3, 4, 5 videos of yours on different occasions, and then they notice something is off with this person, something's off with this guy. Like even your feedback is not being listened to. They don't respond to your comments, all that shit. They don't feel heard. They won't even subscribe to begin with. Meaning you won't even get progress. You won't even get a chance to fall. Now, as I promised, I will be showing you how to monetize your personal brand, not just depending on the social media platform's earnings. And also a quick bonus for those who stayed in the video this long, I will be throwing in an extra bonus on how to grow your personal brand faster. And it's just one simple word: collaborations. When I say collaborations, I mean collaborating with other people in the same space with you and the same niche with your personal brand. Have you ever heard the saying, your net worth is your network? Yes. In your journey to try and collaborate with other creators way higher than you, you won't find it easy. But an extra tip I will give you is, instead of trying to appeal to their mercy, try and provide for them value. What do I mean? If you are reaching out to someone who has something to gain from you, if they collaborate with you, the chances of you actually landing that collaboration with that person is higher than when you just be like, hi, I'm this creator from here. I want us to do a collaboration. It will help my channel. This. You are appealing to their mercy, which reduces your collaboration rate. Now let's move to the monetization stage of things. Now that you've grown your personal brand, you have an audience. Now what do you do with them? You find something you can sell to them that can add value to them, that is important to them. It can be anything, as long as you look in the market, look at something that is missing in the market, provide a value. As long as it aligns with your personal brand, you will have a leverage. Like I said, your personal brand gives you unfair leverage compared with your competitors. Example of things you can sell them are affiliate links, print on demand, that's merch, info products, so many things. As long as it aligns with your personal brand, you will have inevitable success rates over your competitors in that space. There you have it. That's how to build your personal brand from scratch to serve you. Full disclaimer, it won't be easy, but if you're willing to put in the work and control how the world sees you, start building your personal brand today. Drop a comment and let me know what personal brand niche you focus your personal brand on, or what do you want to be known via your personal brand. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like, truly so much content coming your way. Your personal brand is your power. Use it.